Lexpedia is created for the preparation of all types of legal competitive examination and entrance exams. It provides previous year's solved questions of all legal exams. And it also provides multiple choice questions of 50 plus subjects. And it also provides mock tests. After attempting the paper, you get the instant scorecard of your performance for analysis. And by a special feature of Lexpedia app, you can see the progress or keep a record of all papers or topics attempted by you by putting a tick mark before that paper or topic. It provides syllabus of all law courses and all legal competitive exams. It also provides all bare acts and landmark and latest judgments. You also get all latest notification about all the exams in the notification section of the app. So, now you don't need to spend 7,000 to 8,000 rupees on those heavy and bulky books. By installing the app, you can save up to 7 to 8,000 rupees. So, download the app now from Play Store.